How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can duplicate objects faster in Inkscape. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to press Ctrl V and it will actually duplicate our object right here. Now you could press Ctrl in order to move it accordingly onto its axis. And if you want to make your duplicates faster, you then want to press Ctrl Shift D, or I mean Ctrl Alt D. It will then repeat the last changes that we have made, basically making it a lot easy to go ahead and make our objects easy to duplicate. So if we navigate through selection, and let's just go ahead and select everything together, and here press Ctrl V once again, and then let's move it downwards. And now let's try pressing Ctrl Alt D. It will then repeat that step one more time. And so that's how easy it is to duplicate objects faster. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.